You gotta be shitting me. I'm being tailed. Oh, yep, okay, found the ditch. She's got new calf. She's out there by herself. Oh yeah, those are definitely males. Oh, she's working it for me. Pretend like none of this happened. Good afternoon, Wisconsin. Welcome back to another, I don't know, photo drive? What do you call these things? Today I have loaded up the Sony A7R IV with the Sony 200-600. It is the inaugural shooting with the Sony A7R IV. I'm super excited with all those juicy megapixels. We can see how it destroys my computer and or storage situation. But today, as always, we're looking for interesting subjects, lighting, animals, wildlife, buildings, anything that catches my eye. It's been raining the last few days, so it's overcast and cloudy today. I kind of appreciate that. It's going to give even lighting to my subjects, and we'll see what we find today. There's a few spots that I have in mind today, but honestly, I am just gonna drive around and see what I can see. I've got no plan. I've got no kids, got no plan. Wisconsin is my oyster right now. Is that the saying? I don't know. Wisconsin's my playground right now. I'm gonna pull over here for my first shot of the day. I've got this tractor in the field, but what I'm more interested in is the background behind it. It's one of these big farms that has a big, I don't know what you call it, big feed operation covered with plastic and all these like tires and stuff. So I'm gonna see what I can shoot here. And it is super windy out. Holy heck. Let's see. Okay. Get those first shots of the day out of the way. The first thing I noticed with this A7R IV is that shutter. It sounds oh so lovely. It's very quiet but snappy. Alright, onward. One thing I have working against me today is I'm on a little bit of a schedule. Usually that's not the case, but I do have to pick the kids up from school, and I got to go home and get the wife. So I have, give or take, exactly, well, as of right now, exactly an hour, which isn't ideal because a lot of the time is usually devoted to just driving around. But we'll get some shots. I promise we'll get some shots today. Pulling over here because there's some birds, but I'm right by a property too, so we'll try to respect them. Awesome. Alright, so I have no idea what kind of birds those were, but they caught my eye. And that backdrop of these, I don't know what the hell, some sort of flowers or something over here. Pretty cool. I might stop up here actually. I like how this farm looks off in the distance. I can see cows in the pasture. It's starting to rain out. So I like this farm. I pulled over here. It's kind of misting out. I like this farm up here with the pasture. I can see cows in the pasture. The background's all misty with that mist. Yeah, it started raining, so we'll see. I like this though. It's a nice light Wisconsin spring rain. I like that image. That was like quintessential Wisconsin right there. Cows laying, chilling in a pasture, nice green pasture, nice green, fresh spring pasture. Got the silos and the farm in the background. Beautiful. I had to pull over and take that shot. The other thing too, if you've watched my last video, anytime there's that atmosphere in the background, I'm a sucker for that, especially with my long lens that I have. It creates a nice depth and it just creates a good perspective, that sense of dimension and depth, like I said. Oh, heck yes! Here we go. Here's another thing I'm sucker for, rustic roads. Rustic roads, and we got one right here. Oh, we got some, looks like beef cows right here too. Shit, yes! Nothing exciting, they're too close to the road, I can't shoot them. Oh, here we go. Here we go, I might be able to shoot these guys. I like this one in particular over here, looks like she got a newborn calf. She does, she's got a new calf, she's out there by herself. Keep an eye on us too, mama. I think that's something. Okay. So I can get any of these guys back here too. I think that'll do. That's pretty cool. I wish that we could see a little bit more of that baby calf. It's a telltale sign when you got all these Angus back here chilling, laying down and relaxing. You got one way out there by themselves. They're either calving or they have calved. And she's calved and she's hid that baby right in the fence line. See if I got a shot up here. No, she's hit him right in the fence, yeah. Good mama. Oh, here we go. We got these horses out. I shot these horses before when it was foggy. Let's see if I can't get them today either. There's not much of a place to pull off here though. So maybe I won't go up to the fence today. It's not a very exciting shot though. Let's see if I can't get this horse here. They're busy eating. She sees me back there. Let's see if I can't get low. I say she, but that might be a he. Whoops. Okay. Definitely more exciting when there's fog. But those shots will do for today. Oh yeah, those were definitely males. Okay, those were just not feeling those ones compositionally, but once again, shoot, get those bad ones out of our system, and then we'll find some better compositions as we go along here. All right, we got a bridge here. Do I have anything on the water I can shoot? Go slow. Nothing that way. Nothing that way today. Okay. There's some geese nesting down. Oh, there's a crane back there. There's a few cranes actually. I'm gonna turn around. I almost missed them. Also, there's not a good spot to park it up here, but we're gonna go right over here. I want to spook them, so I'm gonna get off the beaten path a little bit. I'll probably shoot them from the car, honestly. Don't mind my business out there. Oh yeah, get both of them in there. Now they're moving on me. Might have got a shot with both of them in there. The geese aren't having me right now, but those cranes are. Those are good shots. Got my crane shots. Those are better than the crane shots I got last time. Much closer, much more chill back here. These guys are. All right. I knew. Well, I got to keep an eye on these wet areas because a lot of birds like to just kind of chill out there. Those cranes, we got geese. It's awesome. But one thing I am enjoying with the A7R4 is the tracking. Tracking is awesome. When I'm at 600 millimeters, it's very hard for me to keep steady. So what I've been doing today is I've had the tracking on. I think it's a medium tracking spot. I've been plopping that on my subject, and it doesn't matter how shaky I get at 600 millimeters, it just locks onto that subject. I'm thinking I'm gonna have a much better keeper rate than what I typically do. Been shooting with the A7 III. It's a great camera, great low light, great video and all that. But I've noticed I've had focus issues, in particular with the 200 to 600. You know, I'm getting ahead of myself, but when I get these photos back on the iPad and edit them, I'll know better. But I think I'm gonna have a much better keeper rate with the A7R4. So stay tuned for that. Whee! Oh, squirrel. Jeez, little guy. Why are you running out in front of me, dude? That's one thing I need to add to my portfolio is a squirrel. Not hitting one, but shooting one. Not shooting, taking a picture of one. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? All right, so far, I've got a few shots that I like. Those crane ones I think are gonna be awesome. Especially, I hope I got that one in focus with both of them. They were walking opposite of each other, and I tried to even walk ahead and kind of line them up again. I don't think it worked out too well, but I've been shooting for literally 27 minutes, and I already have a few shots that I'm pretty proud of. But I'm gonna continue on. I got half an hour left. Let's see what we can find. All right, what do we got back there? I see something. More cattle. Cattle in an old cornfield. Do I have a shot here? Kind of far back. There's one closer here. Don't know if I have a shot. Maybe. We got a close one here. We'll see what we can do with this guy. I mean, he's right on the fence though, so we're gonna really see. Yeah, he's gonna look right at me. Let's see if he's a curious coot. I see you. We got a car coming too. We're gonna wait. Sure, now you look. Moo. That's the universal call for look at me, I'm the photographer. I'm gonna go across the road, see if I can get closer to him. Ideally, I want him to look over here. She, oh my God, I am sorry. She don't want nothing to do with me. Nothing. That was kind of a dud, but I got a few snaps. All right, I gotta get turned around here. Coming into a metropolis, which I don't want. There's no shots in the city. Come on, let's be real, people. I'm not your typical urban street photographer. No, what I bring you on this channel is quality rural street photography. I don't even, what would you call that? Rural photography? We're just gonna turn around here. Pretend like none of this happened. Ain't no thing, chicken wing. The sun's trying to peek. Here we go. I'm gonna see if there's one cow way out there. I turned around Oh, what the frick was that? Oh my god. Okay, well, I turned around, see what I could see. I'm back by these cows in this cornfield again. I don't know what the fuck I just hit. Big old flipping hole. I think that guy's that chick is way too far out there. Oh, maybe not. Let's see if I can't get a little lower. I want that house in the background. See, it's tricky. That's 600. I am so shaky. Let's go this way then. There we go. She looked up, had something in her mouth. All right. You know, sometimes it pays to turn around and come back for another shot. I thought she'd be too far out there. And the other thing too, with the A7R4, I'll probably be able to crop in on that actually quite a bit. The only issue is I was shooting through a lot of vegetation here. So we'll see how crisp and sharp it is. But I think that will actually be a pretty good shot too. All right, onward. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Wow, okay. Oh yeah, I'm glad I turned around because there's more Angus up here too that I was gonna get a couple snaps of. There was a little calf that was eating some grass up here. I'll see. Oh yeah, he's still up here. He or she, I should say. Let's see if I can. Ooh, yep, there we go. Okay, let's see. Oh, yep. Okay, found the ditch. There you go. I'll be happy with those. I missed one. He had his tongue out. I don't know. Classic. All right, we're finding our groove. You guys enjoying yourselves? Sit back, relax. I'll do all the work here. Don't worry about it. I'm feeling great. They're great. Copyright infringement. So the lighting is getting interesting here because it's still cloudy out, but the sun is kind of coming through in pockets. So one thing I'm going to keep an eye out for is how the sun is hitting things, because I can see it's hitting some silos and a farm back there quite nicely. I just don't have a good composition from this angle. But those are things I'm looking for. Those are things I'm considering, because it's not just about getting a shot or a snapshot. I want to get a composition. I want something that captures the light, captures the mood, and tells a story. If I get all three of those things, winning. Alrighty, I think what I'm going to do, because I've got about 20 minutes, I'm going to start heading back towards home. I'm going to loop back around to that wildlife area that I shot in the last video, just to see if I see any different wildlife in the afternoon versus in the morning. But I got to get there first, so we're going to see what we see along the way, and hopefully something grabs my attention. Oh, that might be a shot there. Too busy of a road, though. Well, that was actually a good shot. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to turn around and risk it for the biscuit, because there's a nice pasture up there. And I got a car behind me now, too. There's a nice pasture up there, and a cow is just sitting up there eating her cud, chewing her cud. So I need to find... I think I'm going to turn around here. Oh, shit. That's not it. I think I'm going to let this car pass me, and I'm going to turn around. Okay. We're going to see if this shot was really worth it in about 2 minutes. This is a busy-ish road, but the way that cow was sitting up there on that hillside, just chilling and chewing on her cud, I think it would make for a really nice composition. I think right here will do me good. Now I'm shooting through a fence too, so I guess these are adolescents back here. Here we go. Cool. Let's see if I can get Mama. This might be the shot. Just sunning herself. Oh, she's working it for me. She's hamming it up. Got a few shots there. But now I gotta turn around again. Okie dokie. That's a 10-minute detour. I got 10 minutes to get to that wildlife area and get back home, get the wife and kids. And I do want to go back through that wildlife area. I want to make sure I can see what animals are there in the afternoon. I don't know if I'm going to have enough time. I'm going to be late. Let's be real. I'm going to be late. I'm okay with that. Now we got a car behind us, which is not ideal. It's okay. I don't think they're going to go through the wildlife area like we are. Let's see what we can see. I think our geese family is still here. Yep. Oh, a lot more geese today, actually. Still got mama nesting. All geese, no ducks. You gotta be shitting me. That car follows me. I'm being tailed. Oh, there's a hawk too. Okay, I'm gonna turn at this next road, see if this mother effer follows me. He is. You gotta be fucking kidding me. All right, I'm turning around. All right, where'd that hawk land? I saw you, hawk. Yeah, he's up in that tree. Be very, very quiet. Oh yeah. Oh, son of a biscuit. Is he coming close? He's coming closer. And he's going farther away. He's hunting. Golly. All right, gotta turn around again. What I need to do, excuse me. Oh, I'm so sorry. What I need to do is come down here someday when I have some time and just chill and not have a car. Oh, he's way off there now. Yeah, I can see him in the distance. Well, sugar sticks. All right, so we gotta go home. I didn't want to end like this. I think we're gonna have to because he's way up in those woods now. He's dicking around is what he's doing. Okay, I don't got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. We're gonna head home. Didn't want to end the video this way. I did have an opportunity at that hawk back there. Just missed it. But I feel confident that I would say I got at least like 4 or 5 shots that I'm very proud of today. And that's all I can ask for on a short day like today. I only get an hour to get out and shoot. Like I said, a lot of that is just driving around. I was heading home and I didn't want to leave you guys without another photo. Let's put this fucker in park first. Jesus. And I see this silo up here that I'm gonna take a picture of after I let this car go by. Just because I think it highlights what we shot today. And you'll see in a second what I mean. And then I will let you guys go. All right. I couldn't leave you guys hanging without another shot. I mucked it up back there with that hawk. But that will be the final shot of the day. I promise you. I'm sorry, but okay, until next time, if you haven't subscribed, like, comment, whatever you gotta do. But until next time, guys, keep shooting, get out there and create some stuff. I will see you guys next time. Peace.